In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save $1,460 per year making your own Starbucks iced lattes at home. That's enough to go on a nice tropical vacation every year. The average retail price of a grande iced latte is currently $5. With this simple recipe, you can make them for $1 each. Step 1. Go to your local Starbucks and order a bag of espresso dark roast coffee beans. The cost of a bag of espresso dark roast is currently around $15. Ask them to grind it using the espresso setting for best results. Step 2. Make 2 shots of espresso using an espresso machine like this one. This one is a Mr. Coffee Espresso Maker that retails for around $40. With this machine, fill the porta filter a little above the line that is marked with the number 2. Use a tamper or something similar to compress the coffee grounds so they are nice and level. Secure the filter holder onto your espresso machine and lock into place. Add water and brew. Depending on the quality of your tap water, you may want to use bottled water for the best taste. Step 3. Fill your machine with water, tighten the lid and start brewing. Step 4. Add about 8 ounces of milk to a cup, then add the espresso you just brewed. Keep an eye on the color of your latte as you pour. With practice, you will know how much espresso to use to get the perfect flavor. Step 5. If necessary, add more milk, then ice. Now you are ready to get your day started with your $1 iced latte. Don't forget to laugh at your friends, family or coworkers that paid $4 more than you by paying retail. Especially when you are on vacation at the beach with your savings. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome money saving tips like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.